You can use the best pasta, the nicest sauce, and the fanciest pan and still end up with pasta that feels off, too soft, too sticky, or weirdly bland. There's a small step most people skip, and once you notice it, pasta night changes forever. Pasta is one of the most common meals in the world. It's quick, affordable, and comforting. But a lot of people think great pasta only comes from restaurants or Italian grandmas. The truth is, perfect pasta isn't about talent or secret recipes. It's about understanding how pasta behaves in water and heat. Today, you'll learn what really makes pasta taste better and feel just right, using simple habits anyone can follow at home. Let's start with the pot, because size actually matters here. Many people cook pasta in a pot that's too small. When pasta is crowded, it sticks together and cooks unevenly. Using a larger pot gives pasta room to move. Think of it like stretching your arms instead of sitting cramped. More space means better texture. Now let's talk about water. Pasta needs a lot of it. A good rule is enough water so the pasta can float freely and not clump. Crowded water cools down fast when pasta is added. That slows cooking and makes pasta mushy on the outside and firm inside. Salt is when many people go wrong. Some people barely add any, others skip it completely. Pasta water should taste like the ocean. That might sound dramatic, but salt is the only chance to season pasta from the inside. Once it's cooked, it's too late. Here's something surprising. Adding oil to pasta water doesn't help. It floats on top and never touches the pasta. Oil can actually make sauce slide off later. Save oil for the sauce, not the water. Timing matters more than the package says. Cooking pasta exactly to the box time often means overcooking. Every stove is different. Start tasting pasta 2 minutes before the suggested time. Perfect pasta should be tender but still have a slight bite. That texture is called al dente, and it makes pasta more satisfying to eat. Stirring is another small habit that makes a big difference. Stir pasta in the first minute to prevent sticking. After that, occasional stirring is enough. If you don't stir early, pasta can glue itself together. Once that happens, no amount of sauce can fix it. Let's talk about rinsing, because this is a big debate. Rinsing pasta washes away starch. That starch is what helps sauce stick. Unless you're making cold pasta salad, don't rinse. Let that starch work for you, not against you. Now here's a trick many home cooks skip. Save some pasta water before draining. That cloudy water is liquid gold. Pasta water helps loosen sauce while keeping it creamy. It blends sauce and pasta together instead of letting sauce sit on top. Another mistake is dumping pasta into sauce too late. Pasta should finish cooking in the sauce, not sit under it. When pasta and sauce cook together, even briefly, they become one dish instead of two separate parts. That one step is what makes restaurant pasta taste better every time. So here's the simple takeaway. Use a big pot, plenty of salty water, and skip the oil. Taste early, save pasta water, and always finish pasta in the sauce. If this helped you rethink how you cook pasta, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy food and health tips. Drop a comment and tell me what kind of pasta you make most often. And here's my question for you. Do you usually rinse your pasta or go straight from pot to sauce?